is how to do dribbling. When you are doing you have to use this five fingers. Now dribble then hand here, then go sideways. Then it will be very hard. So you have to okay. This is the first